Mrs. Johnston here, and we are going to work with applying what we have learned from our read aloud. So, today we are going to learn about a multiple meaning word. Here in the picture is a pen, and there are also pens. In the read aloud, you heard the farmer lets the sheep out to graze every morning and leads them back to the safety of the pen at night. You will hold up one or two fingers to indicate which image on the poster shows the meaning. So if it's talking about a pen where animals live, this is a pen where animals live. This is a pen meaning something that you can write with. So let's see how we do. You will hold up one if what I describe is talking about an enclosure for animals. You will hold up two fingers if what I'm describing is using a writing tool called a pen. Farm animals are often put in pens to keep them safe. Is that an example of one or two? Did you say one? If you held up one finger, you were right. That was an example of a pen as an enclosure. My mother uses a pen to write the grocery list. Was that an example of one, an enclosure, or two, a writing tool? Did you hold up two fingers? That was an example of a pen that is a writing tool. My older sister forgot her pen and had to use a pencil for her science test. Does that use the word pen as an enclosure or the word pen as a writing tool? Did you say two? It uses it as a writing tool. When I went to the fair, I saw 5 rabbits in the pen. Did it use the word pen as one, an enclosure, or two, a writing tool? That was one, an enclosure. For our next part, we're going to pick out which word is better in the sentence. I will say a sentence that describes what is happening in the picture. Next, I will give you 2 words to choose from. Say the word aloud that you think works the best. These children are with a little black lamb. Would you say they are petting or tapping the lamb? Which word fits better? Did you say petting? Petting was the correct response. Let's try the next one. These 2 sheep are eating grass in the field. Would you say they are resting or grazing? Did you answer grazing? Grazing. You can see the one down here who is eating the grass. They are grazing. The shepherd is looking after his sheep. Is he leading or following the sheep? Did you say leading? That's right. He's leading the sheep to where he wants them to go. Wow. Look at that sheepdog and the sheep go. Is the sheepdog chasing the sheep or racing with the sheep? Did you say chasing? Chasing is correct. The dog is chasing the sheep in the direction he wants them to go. The farmer is getting wool off the sheep. Would you say she is brushing the wool off or shearing the wool off the sheep? Shearing. Remember, shearing was the word that they used for cutting the wool off the sheep.